Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. My respected brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Your host, Sheikh Khokhar, is at your service. A beautiful hadith from Bukhari Shareef. It has been narrated by Abu Huraira radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, religion is very easy, and whoever overburdens himself in his religion will not be able to continue in that way. So, you should not be extremist in the following the religion, but try to be near to the perfection and receive the good news that you will be rewarded. My brother and sister, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Deen is very easy to follow. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not command anything. And they know any sunnah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam which cannot be practiced. We should take it easy. We should enjoy Deen. Deen is very palatable. It's very delicious. But only when we become extremist in any aspect of Deen, that becomes the problem. We should remain moderate. Inna Allah ya'mur bil adal. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala command also, be moderate, be just. Should be just with the religion. And the Quran tells very clearly, La yukallifullahu nafsan illa wus'aha. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not put any burden on any individual what he cannot carry. Even it has been advised by the ulama karam. For example, you have intention to make 4 nafal or 6 nafal, and after 2 nafal, you call it unwell. Don't push yourself. Example, every Monday, every Thursday, fasting is recommended, nafal fasting. So, if we cannot afford, we are old or very hot weather, we should not do it. We should do what we can. If we cannot read 1 juz of Quran, we can read half juz, quarter juz. But we should read Quran every day. Little aamal with continuity is more appreciated by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala than sometime lot of aamal nafal and sometime not. Sometime in the tahajjud making 12 nafal, sometime 2 nafal, sometime we don't wake up even. No, we should be moderate. Little aamal with continuity will be rewarded more by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So let's check ourselves. Are we extremists in any walk of life? We should not. We are so much extremists in dunya, earning dunya day and night. We forgetting akhirat. That's extremism. Even eating the food, we should not be extremist. Extremism will bring problem in the life. All unhealthy episode, waqiyat, happening because of extremism. So let's lead a beautiful life, a moderate life. We should do ibadat how much we can, do easily and enjoyably. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.